Hi everyone! In this video, I will be showing you how to factor trinomials. The standard form of trinomials is ax squared plus bx plus c. A here represents the coefficient of x squared. B represents the coefficient of x. And c is the constant. We have two cases in factoring trinomials. Case 1 is where a is equal to 1. So when the coefficient of x squared represented by a is equal to 1, for example, x squared plus 5x plus 6, where the value of a is equal to 1, that is considered as case 1. Under case 2, the value of a is greater than 1. A is the coefficient of x squared, of course. A can be equal to 2 or 3, 4, etc. For example, this trinomial has a equal to 2. So as you can see, 2x squared plus 7x plus 3. This is an example of case 2. Now let's proceed to case 1. So having the form ax squared plus bx plus c, where the value of a is equal to 1, would give us x squared plus bx plus c. Hence, the value of a here is equal to 1. We will be using the tram method. Okay, yes, tram method for case 1 type of trinomial. The letters stand for TR for trial, the M here for multiply, and the A here for addition. Now, let us see how we can apply this in the first example. Factor the trinomial x squared plus 2x minus 8. So, makikita nyo na yung coefficient ng x squared ay 1. Therefore, we can use the tram method. Here, the value of a is 1. The value of c, which is the constant, is negative 8. And the value of b, the coefficient of x, usually at the middle term, the coefficient of the middle term, which is 2, that's the value of b. Now, bakit inuna ko yung c bago yung b? Makikita nyo yan sa sequence mamaya sa ating steps. Okay, step 1. Tram. TR or trial. Let us try and list down two factors that multiply to give the c term. The c term is equal to 8. So, yung constant natin ay 8 or negative 8. Ayan. So, hahanap tayo ngayon ng mga factors ni negative 8. Okay, kung hindi mo makuha agad-agad, ilista muna natin. Pwedeng 1 times negative 8. O negative 1 times 8, pwede ring 2 times negative 4, pwede ring negative 2 times 4. Okay, that's for step 1. Lahat na to, nitong pairs na to, magbibigay siya ng product na negative 8 if we multiply them. Okay, now step 2. Choose the pair from step 1 that add to b term. Ano ba yung b term natin doon sa given na trinomial? It's 2. Okay? So, we will choose from this given pairs of numbers sa step 1, which will add to b term. Okay, una, 1 plus negative 8. That will give you negative 7. Negative 1 plus 8, that's 7. 2 plus negative 4, that is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 4 equals 2. So, ibig sabihin, the pair that gives a sum or that will add to 2 is equal to negative 2 plus 4. So, eto yung dalawang numbers na hinahanap natin. Okay, negative 2 and 4. Okay, going to step 3. Since we have the two numbers or two factors that add to b term and that multiply to the c term, which is, ano ba yung c term natin? Negative 8. So, maisusulat na natin ngayon yung factors. At ano ngayon yung factors? Ganito lang yan. Okay? X minus 2, galing doon sa isang factor natin, isang factor nitong negative 8. And then, x plus 4. Galing sa pangalawang factor ng negative 8. Okay? Why did we write x and x here? It's because when we find the factors of x squared, that will be x times x. So, pag case 1, palaging x times x ang nasa first terms. Or depende yan sa variable na ginagamit. Kung y squared naman ang ginamit, and then y times y. And we simply add the remaining factors kung ano yung nakuha nating numbers dito. Yung dalawang numbers or dalawang factors. Okay po? Example 2. Factor x squared plus 7x plus 12. So, it's understood that our a here is equal to 1. Our c or constant is 12. And our b, the coefficient of the middle term is 7. Now, we can use TRUM method. Okay? Find two numbers, or we will have a try. And find two numbers that multiply to c or 12. What could be those numbers? Okay? Now, we will try pairs. 1 times 12. Pwede ring 2 times 6 equals 12. Pwede ring 3 times 4. So in this case, we will check which pair, which of these two numbers will add into 7, the b term. So choose the two numbers that add to 7. Saan kaya dito yung dalawang numbers na magbibigay ng 7 pag inad natin? You are right. That is 3 and 4. So, kunin natin yan. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Therefore, the two numbers that we are looking for are 3 and 4. And now, the factors of x squared plus 7x plus 12 equals x plus 3 times the quantity x plus 4. So, dito ninyo gagamitin yung dalawang numbers or dalawang factors na hinahanap. So, x plus 3 for the first binomial times the other binomial factor, x plus 4. Okay? If you want to check your answer, you simply use FOIL method. And if you use FOIL method and find the product, it should go back to the original trinomial. Ganun lang po yun. Okay? I hope you understand these steps. Ayan. Next example. Factor x squared minus 10x plus 21. So, sinulat ko dito. Ibang method naman yung ipapakita ko dito. So, for the c term, I wrote m over it. Meaning, find two numbers that will multiply into giving 21. And then, ilagay ko yung a for addition sa taas ng 10. Meaning, these two numbers that you find here must add up into negative 10. So, ano-ano kaya yung mga two numbers na yon? Okay, you can try to list down pag nahirapan pa kayo. But, eventually, you will find that you will have negative 7 times negative 3 will be the two numbers that will multiply to give a product of 21. And these two numbers, negative 7, if you add to negative 3, that will give you a sum of negative 10. Ah, ganun pala. Yes. Okay, so in here, bakit hindi natin ginawang positive 7 times positive 3? Well, pwede rin sana yon kasi positive 21 naman yung product nila. Kaso, pag positive plus positive kasi dito, edi maging positive 10 yung sum nila. O hindi na siya equals negative 10. Dapat yung sum nila will add into negative 10. So, how do we do that? Edi manipulate natin ng konti yung signs. You know that to get a negative sum of two numbers, they should be negative as well. Both of them should be negative. And so, since negative times negative naman is positive, so, gawin natin silang negative. Para pag inad natin sila, maging negative. Pag minultiply natin, maging positive, 21. Okay po? And, to answer the factors of x squared minus 10x plus 21, well, x minus 7, lagyan natin doon, times the quantity x minus 3. So that's all for now. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.